Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're wondering how to disable Snapchat Spotlight on your iPhone or Android, in today's video, without any delay, let's just dive right into the process to do so. So, the thing you need to understand is you cannot disable the Snapchat Spotlight feature itself, but you can stop receiving Spotlight related notifications. So, for that, once you open up your Snapchat, you can go over to your profile icon, the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner, and tap on it, and that should open up your profile page. You can go ahead and access it. And there we go. So this is your profile right here. So once you tap on your profile, you can view your profile and all of your activity here. You may go ahead and tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, your settings opens up for your Snapchat. Now you may just scroll down and find the option for notifications, or you will be directly find the option of notifications under shortcuts. So head over there and tap on it. And once you tap on it, let me just enable notification for now since I have disabled it earlier. So once you go to notifications, there you will be finding these kind of notifications available. So we can find the toggle option or the select option for Spotlight and Snap Map submission. So you can just go ahead and look out for those kind of options right here. We have that option available in this section right here under story post. So find it up and you can prevent the notification about your post to these features. So unselect this option by tapping on this check mark right beside it, and it should unselect it. After that, you can just go ahead and head back, and that should automatically save up the changes, toggling off the option for Snapchat and Snap Map submissions. That should do it. And you can just go ahead and from here, when you scroll down here, you should be finding your spotlight usually. If you find your spotlight here under your public profile as well, you can find it. When you go ahead and find your spotlight in the spotlight section right here, you can just go ahead and remove the spotlight content from your account yourself or others account, and that should disable Snapchat spotlight for you. So there is no such directly dedicated feature for that, but you can follow up this method if you'd like to disable it. So that's it, guys. You may follow up this process. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.